Hello guys, I'm Filipino and now I'm going to show you guys how to make a slime like this. This squishy slime. This. This. Here. Just go measure it. And right here. And you just need right here is a water. Spoon to mix and for mixing. That's why so the tomato punte. Can do it all okay. And a tide right here, tide, and a glue.
Nagwiwig ng slime.
Right here, and let's go. And now I'm just going to put some of it. I think I will just going to put a little bit. Okay, wait. I'm going to do it. Okay, right here.
Don't disturb me, okay? I will sleep.
Okay, wait. Okay, right here I'm going to put it. Oh, okay, it's kind of hard. I'm just going to do it with this. Sorry guys if it's dark. It's just it really needed to be dark because I'm opening it. It was too hard to open. So right here I already opened it and let's go. Put some. Oh, it's so slow. Right here. Okay, just like that. I don't want it to be loud. So yeah, just put it right there. And yeah, right there. That's it. That's it. Okay. And water. There, and I will come back if I'm already mix it. So here, guys, is already mixed. So yeah, it's a liquid. And let's add this tight. Just a little bit. That. And mix it. And you can see it's going to turn like that. So, okay. It's turning now.
And then Tita Melody is interrupting.
Okay, right here and right here. Here and I think we need more. Just really need more. And let's see.
Ulit.
There. Right there. Right there.
Hindi nakikita.
Right there. Right there. Right there. Here. And guys, sorry for the noise. Just my auntie in the TV. Whatever. Okay. I'm just going to back if I already mix it. Right here, guys, I already mixed it. And here. Look like this, right? Right here. Wait, right here, and I will take it all. This one's getting a little bit sticky because I have glue on it. Okay, so wanna see it? Right here. That is sticky. Oh, there, sticky like that. Sticky. I just want it to be like sticky. That's why I glue on it. A lot of glue probably. And yeah. And I wanted to add a watercolor on it. So I just put it there. But want it to be red. I'm just going to pick my I can share it a second. Yes, I'll wait out. Okay. Oh, sorry. I will come back if I already pick it. Okay. Bye. Right here, guys, I pick red. Here, I'm just going to dip the red once. Okay, let's apply some. All of it. Just like I just add a little bit, and I will come back if I already mix it. Right here, guys, you guys can see it right here, right. Okay, Here it's just kind of violetish, pinkish, and I'll a little bit more with it. Okay, just wait for a second. Right here, guys, I already mixed it, but it's just kind of a little bit more darker. And again, this is what this is not the my game expecting, but it's a cool color. I think I have a new one called favorite color now. Favorite color right here, so stinky. And that's it. Bye, guys. See you guys in my next video. Ooh. Lime.